So let's start this conversation with a introduction.
Hi, I am Brijesh Khanna. I am operations head at Solex Energy Limited, and we are based in Surat, and we call ourselves global factory, and we are one of the biggest module manufacturers.
So what are the recent developments that Solex is having?
See, the developments, the immediate development is we are expanding our lines. We'll be adding another 600 megawatt line by the end of March, and we'll be aggressively targeting glass-to-glass modules and with the TOPCon technology.
We are here in REI from last 3 days. So what will be your biggest takeaway from this mega event?
See, this year I'll definitely congratulate the RA organizers. They have done a fantastic job. Uh, Whereas our presence here is concerned, we are getting very matured and good inquiries. The people are coming with their requirements, and we are trying to satisfy their needs in terms of technical specifications, in terms of pricing, delivery schedules, logistics, and so many things. So we are getting very good and robust inquiries. There are nothing like people who are coming, asking, and going here and there.
Do Solex, catering in international market also? If yes, then do you see any difference doing business in India or international market?
See, frankly speaking, right now, Solex is not directly exporting to any international market. They are currently Solex branded modules are being sold in India, but there is another aspect of getting international. There is another aspect of getting international in terms of, as you know, that we call ourselves a global factory. We are doing OEM for a couple of international companies. Those are renowned names, worldwide names in module manufacturing all over, and we are making their modules in India.
Okay. So what are your expansion plans for Solex?
As I told you earlier, we are already expanding and will be doubling our capacity by March this year, but we'll be touching our actual milestone of 4 gigawatt by December 24.
So do Solex is also catering into corporate social responsibilities?
Definitely, yes. That's our biggest strength. You may not believe that what we do at our factory. 80% of our workforce is tribals. So we our machine operators, our persons which work on the shop floor, are from the surrounding areas, surrounding villages. We train them and we induct them in directly working on the more sophisticated machines that they are doing. So our biggest CSR is we are promoting the tribal areas of our surrounding our factory.
Okay. So as we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, so how Solex is supporting Atmanirbhar Bharat, how Solex is supporting Make in India policy?
Our factory is in Surat, and Surat is in India. So we are a company based in India. So our contribution would be that definitely yes. Bharat should remain Atmanirbhar, should become Atmanirbhar, whereas solar photovoltaic technologies are concerned, no doubt still there are some lacunae, there are still some gaps, whereas cell manufacturing is concerned, but module, yes, module manufacturers have actually met their targets of making the modules in India. So we are actively contributing to Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes.
Before concluding this interaction, would you like to send any message to your customers?
Come to us. We are there for you. Join us as a customer, or say anyone can join us as our team. Also, we are promoting. We are expanding. We need good people. We need good customers. We are your reliable partner for manufacturing PV models in India.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.